y'all, this is Beryl at Cajun Cooking TV, and we have a little video to show you. We want to test out a video that we saw on how to bake corn in the oven. So we're going to try it for you. So stay tuned and watch this. All right. Simple instructions here. We've got our whole corn. These are giant corns here. They're pretty hefty. We're just gonna put them in. You might got them at the store just like this. We're gonna put them in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. And when we pull them out, we're supposed to be able to just pull the stalk and the what do you call it? The angel hair out, and it should just fall apart. Going in.
Okay, neighbors, we have had this corn in the oven for 25 minutes, I think. And according to the Facebooks, it's supposed to just fall out of here perfect with no silk or nothing. So let's see. I'm gonna cut off this end. Well, maybe I ain't cut off enough. We'll try again. Well, not quite as what they said, but it's on the Facebooks.
It must be true.
It's got to be true. Well, we're gonna stick it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, see what happens. Because it said on the Facebooks that this was gonna work, and I want it to work. But as you can see, at this point, it's not. So here we go, we're gonna go back in. Well folks, the Facebook said do it 25 or 30 minutes at 350. So we did both. And as far as the part says it's gonna pop right out of there, that part is not working out. So I'm gonna peel it and see what's in there. Woohoo! I can tell you the silk pretty much came right off.
Well, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing right in itself.
Because I can't stand that stuff in there.
Feels cooked to me.
Put some butter on it and call it a day.
Yeah. So, you can cook it in the oven. It just don't expect for it to pop right out like they said. But maybe they was exaggerating, because I tell you,
Well, peeling
it works fine and does get just about all that silk off.
Oh, good.
So that's worth it right there. So I'd say,
Worth a try.
all in all, if you don't want to boil it, this will do. So, I was about to call it an epic fail, but I will say, you can cook your corn in the oven if you want to. Go 30 minutes, and then just you have to peel it off. It's not going to come popping out of there like the Facebook said. But then, that's it. So, here we are, Cajun Cooking TV, experimenting for you. And here's how you can make corn on the cob in your oven if you don't want to boil it. Recipes such as it is will be down below. Those who don't want to read it, put the corn in the oven for 30 minutes.
There you go.
Okay, but we got a cookbook that's down there we'd like you to buy, and just other information. So go down there anyway, give us a like, subscribe, because we come up with all sorts of unusual stuff like this. Give us your comments. Have you ever tried this? How did it work for you? Maybe we didn't cook it long enough. Maybe we were supposed to stand on our head when we put it in the oven. Maybe we were supposed to soak it. I don't know. But if you've ever done this, please let us know how, so we can do it again and give you a better instruction. Chick 'em all, Scouts.
Chick 'em all. Bye.
It's a wrap.